Hello lovely
viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I mix up my oil mix for my natural hair. Please, if you are new here on this channel, click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Here I have my different types of oils. Here is my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And here I have my flaxseed oil and also avocado oil, cold press unrefined. And here is my sweet almond oil, pure sweet almond oil, 100% natural. And here is my castor oil. And here I have my jojoba oil, 100% jojoba oil. And here I have rosemary essential oil and my tea tree essential oil. And my applicator bottle to keep my oil in it. And here I have a bowl to mix everything in it. My measuring spoon, measuring cup, small funnel, and my plastic spoon. So now let's start mixing everything together. Here is the olive oil. I start with the olive oil. Here I take 1/4 cup, which is 60 ml of the olive oil. So there's it. That's the olive oil. And also the flaxseed oil. I take the 1/8 of the 1/8 cup, which is 30 ml of the flaxseed oil. Here is it. And now my avocado oil. Also I take 1/8 cup, which is the 30 ml of the avocado oil. And now my sweet almond oil. I take that one also, the 30 ml of the sweet almond oil. So now my castor oil. This is where I'll be using the teaspoon. I take 1 teaspoon. I don't know if you can see it very well. 1 teaspoon. I take 1 teaspoon of the castor oil. Okay. The castor oil is thick, so I take a little amount of that. Okay, 1 teaspoon of the castor oil. And now jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon of that also. That is it. That's it. So now it's time for me to add my essential oils. And here I have my rosemary essential oil. I add drops. I add about 10 drops of rosemary essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I add 10 drops of essential rosemary oil. And now this is my tea tree essential oil. I had 10 drops of that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I mix everything together. I mix everything together. You can Google it to see the benefits of each oil. They all have different benefits to our natural hair. So after mixing everything together, I transfer it into my applicator bottle. To do that, I use this small funnel. Then I pour it in. So now my DIY oil mix is ready, and that's it. I have the same thing, the same mixture. For the sake of this video, I had to make another one. That's why I'm showing you this. So I have the same mixture here, and there's it. So now that's the end of for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also like this video. Thanks, and see you in my next video. Bye.